Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne here. We're on a house wash today. It's a lovely period home. This is the original frontage and then they've done an extension. As you can see, it has not been washed, probably ever. I don't think he's ever washed it. So if you look at the boards to this level, you can see how filthy they are. So we're going to have to be doing a chemical house wash on this one and just show you underneath here. See here, all under the eaves, just absolute bags of cobwebs, lots and lots of cobwebs. So we'll be washing all this metal fretwork or lattice, whatever they call it. Of course, all the, you can see how much dust is on these ledges, even these small ledges. So getting all of that. And we're also going to be doing all the internal and external windows on this property. So it's fairly tall. I think it's better. You can see that up there. Got a pool and balustrade. It's a fair bit of where we're washing all the way up there as well. Got a fair bit of mould here, as we can see. Basically around the side. Through here as well. This backside's not so dirty. But, and then back around to the front. So we'll also be washing, well, all this glass atrium will be cleaned as well. I think it's actually a bathroom. That's beautiful. We'll be treating all this mould on the wood. And you know, you can see how dusty and dirty it is up there. This is coming back now to the carport. Give the carport a full wash as well. So looking forward to getting the result on this one, and we'll show you the results at the end. Look at these results. We are racked, and so is the customer. The customer said to me, it's beyond what they expected. So look at all these walls have been washed, and then we actually have washed all of the underside. Let me just show you underneath here, under this. That's come up so crisp. Fortunately, the paintwork here is not bad. It's not great, but it's not a bad. All of this lattice work has been washed. You can see how fresh it looks, crisp. What we want to do when we're presenting properties like this for sale is we want to make sure that they look crisp. And that's exactly what we've done here. So if you look here, we're now looking at the faces here, all completely cleaned out. Even all the frames. So all the frames before, I don't know if you remember, but they had mould on them. Now we're just moving through here. This balustrade glass has been cleaned as well. Windows are done inside out. All this decking has also been mopped down, cleaned for them. And then through here, I've obviously washed the entire face up there as well. Did a couple of extras, skylights for the customer, and just as a little extra for the customer window. Actually put the mold and mildew treatment down here. So if you look here, this was absolutely just moldy, and it was actually quite slippery. So there's a little extra because they're selling, and obviously people are going to be wandering through the property. We don't want people to be slipping around the place. So so that's been done. So that's looking really good, and this glass atrium as well. So it's all looking really good. So there you go, folks. If you're preparing for sale, or even if you're just doing a maintenance clean, it's really a beautiful thing to freshen up the property in this way. And we'll go from there. Stay in touch. If we can give you a quote, do give us a call.